Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to do something a little different. Instead of just talking about rules and vocabulary, we're going to talk about real life. I want to share my weekend routine with you using simple English sentences and common words. Why? Because the best way to learn English is to talk about things you know and love. And for me, that's my weekend. I hope this video gives you some simple ideas to start practicing your English every single day. Remember, learning English should be fun, not a chore. Let's get started. My lazy Saturday morning. My weekend starts on Saturday. Usually, I wake up a little later than usual, maybe around 8 a.m. I love to wake up slowly without an alarm clock. The first thing I do is make a cup of coffee. I use a coffee machine. It's easy. While the coffee is brewing, I open the window to let the fresh air in. It makes me feel happy and relaxed. I don't check my phone right away. I just enjoy the quiet morning. After that, I eat a light breakfast. I usually make scrambled eggs and toast. Sometimes I add some fresh fruit, like a banana or some berries. I sit and eat slowly, enjoying my food and my coffee. This is my favorite part of the day. Then, I like to read the news online or look at social media for about 15 minutes. It's a quick way to know what's happening in the world. After that, it's time to start my day. My afternoon and evening activities. My Saturday afternoons are for relaxation. I often go for a walk in the park near my house. I like to see the trees, the flowers, and watch people walking their dogs. It helps me clear my mind. The walk usually takes about 30 minutes. Sometimes, if it's rainy, I stay home. I will read a book or listen to my favorite podcast. Listening to podcasts is a great way to improve your English listening skills. And of course, I always have my subtitles on. In the evening, I usually cook dinner. Cooking is one of my favorite hobbies. I love to make something new, like a pasta dish or a simple stir-fry with a lot of vegetables. Eating is better when you cook for yourself. After dinner, I like to watch a movie or a TV show. I usually choose a comedy show because it makes me laugh. And of course, I watch it in English with English subtitles. This is a great way to learn new phrases and expressions in a natural way. My simple Sunday. Sunday is a day for small tasks and getting ready for the new week. I usually wake up a little later again. The first thing I do is clean my apartment. I clean the kitchen, vacuum the floor, and do the laundry. I listen to music while I clean. It makes the work go faster, and it's more fun. In the afternoon, I often meet a friend for coffee. We talk about our week, our plans, and what we've been up to. Speaking with a friend in English, even for a few minutes, is a great way to practice. In the evening, I prepare for the week ahead. I will plan my meals for the next few days and make sure I have everything I need. Then, I write in my diary for a few minutes. I write about my weekend, what I did, and how I feel. Finally, before I go to bed, I read a book for about 30 minutes. Reading helps me relax and get ready for a good night's sleep. I go to bed around 10 o'clock p.m. to make sure I get enough rest for Monday. Summary and my advice to you. So that's my weekend routine. I hope you found it helpful. Now I want to give you some advice based on my routine. It's the most important advice for anyone learning English. 1. Start small. You don't need to describe a whole day. Just start with one thing. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. or I drink coffee. Use the simplest sentences you can. 2. Practice every day. Consistency is more important than learning a lot at once. Just a few minutes every day will help you build confidence and feel more comfortable with English. 3. Focus on fun. Choose activities that you genuinely enjoy. If you love to watch a movie, watch a movie. If you love to cook, describe what you are cooking in English. When you have fun, you learn faster. 4. Repeat and be confident. Don't be afraid to say things out loud. Repeat the words and phrases you hear. Mistakes are a natural part of learning. They are proof that you are trying. 5. Talk about your life. When you talk about your own life, your morning, your weekend, your hobbies, it's easy to connect with the language. It makes English feel personal and real. I hope this video inspires you to start your own English learning journey. What is one thing you do on the weekend? Tell me in the comments below. Let's practice together. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy English lessons. See you next time.